So right now I am joined by Mewar Kumar Jamatia, who is the Minister for the Tribal Affairs from Tripura, who is from the IPFT leader, the allies of the BJP party. So what do you think that why this bill is straight to the Tripura along with the Northeast?
This bill is really threat for the people of Tripura, and IPFT party for a long time, even 2016, we were opposing this bill. That time we were not aligned with the BJP. And 2017, 8 February, we have a down-to-dust ban called by IPFT. Whole Tripura was paralyzed. Even in that ban, 2017, we have a lot of around 35 our cadre, our boys was beaten up and hospitalized, and some of them very seriously. So IPFT party always oppose this bill, and we are going to oppose, though we are in alliance partner. This is a sentiment issue. This bill is a sentiment issue, and especially if people all know that Tripura is the worst affected this illegal immigrant. Therefore, this issue we cannot compromise. Though we may be alliance with the BJP, but it is sentimental issue. Therefore, we cannot compromise because we look to the people, because we know the feeling of the people in Tripura as well as in even Northeast. It is not a question of which party you may belong, but it is our duty as the Northeast people to protect our people, to save our people. Therefore, though I am a minister, I feel this is necessary to participate here, to join in this convention. And today convention is really fruitful. It is a historical movement that I really thanks to the Congress Sangma, the Minister of Meghalaya, to initiate this kind of convention. Therefore, I really feel very proud today that I can share with the Northeast people, and there are a lot of ministers, there are a lot of political party. Around 8 political party attended here. Okay,
so as you can see that you are also the part of the NIDA. NIDA is the biggest political platform formed by the regional parties, which are also in the alliance with the BJP. Did you feel any pressure, or are there any pressures regarding not to oppose this bill?
Right now we don't have any pressure, and of course you know that there are a lot of who attended today are all allied party, all in NIDA. Even the Dramthanga also is in part of NIDA. And Congress Sangma also is part of NIDA, and SGP also part of NIDA. We also part of NIDA, but we feel we cannot just keep mum because it is a sentiment issue. Therefore, I think we have very clearly said that now we will have talk out the program, and when approach to the like-minded party all over India. Even I know that Nitish Kumar also allied with the BJP, and he also opposing this bill. Even Shiv Sena, who are also allied with the BJP, also opposing the bill. Therefore, I think for us also it is not question of the NDA, not question of this NIDA, but it is for the survival of our people. This is what we think. So, in next course of action, what will be will take the course of action, will decide very immediately.
So, will this meeting be a threat to the BJP, because there has been seen a rift bit in the NIDA constituent?
And we also will approach our BJP leaders who belong to Northeast India. Even immediately, we have already this evening will talk out the program. Even we will approach in Delhi. Even we will meet with the Home Minister and Prime Minister, hopefully. So we can appeal them also. We'll tell them our grievances. We can tell our appeal. I think hopefully we can manage this issue, and we're trying our best to stop this issue.
So as you can see that Assam Gana Parishad, who is the major alliance with the BJP party in Assam, they has come out from the party and protest against the bill to mark the protest. So if the BJP government is adamant, and if in Rajya Sabha they are going to place this bill, if there is a chance. So is there any chance that IPFT also may come out from the BJP ally?
We'll right now, individually I cannot comment. I cannot comment about this matter. But as a party, we'll sit down together, and we'll fix our course of action will be talked out. And individually I cannot decide, but our party will decide, and we'll sit together. Maybe in before election, we'll sit together and what will happen, and whether we'll stay or not, that is will be taken care of by our party.
Will this meeting be a lesson to the central government, and they take it strongly, and there is a sense that they might consider it as unanimous decisions by all the political parties of the Northeast, and they may not come with the bill? And what is your hope after this meeting?
Hopefully, I think I'm very hopeful that the central government will listen to us. They'll feel pain over our cause, because it is a long pending issues. And if it's Assam and Tripura, Northeast part, where all the civil society, all the intellectual, all the student organization, youth are all opposing this one. I think this feeling only reached to the central government, reached to the Prime Minister, and hopefully he'll reconsider about this cause.
In Tripura, it's a historic that always the chief ministerial position is being occupied not by the Khorang people. So will you feel the threat if this bill is passed? And already do you feel the threat for the existing community also?
Oh, certainly we feel the threat, as I have told earlier. Now, it is a threat for us, our society, it's a threat for our people. This bill is implemented, I think it will be worst, and worse to worse will happen. Bad to worse it will happen. Therefore, I think we are all political party, we are sitting together. We don't mind whose party he belongs. He may belong to Congress or BJP, and everybody is supporting this bill. Therefore, as a regional party, we also cannot stay mum to oppose this bill.
So there is a long demand from the IPFs regarding the separate state also. So what is your take on this?
Even today we have a big rally in Tripura. In Khumulung we are having a big rally. I cannot attend. But ultimate goal, ultimate solution is Tripura land. This is what we have preached the people, we have told the people. But this citizenship amendment bill, NRC, is temporary measures, what we feel. But our ultimate solution, ultimate permanent solution will be a separate state. Because unless we achieve the separate state based on scheduled area of Tripura, I think this crisis will go on. Therefore, to stop this crisis, to have a permanent solution, we raise the voice, we demand that the scheduled area should be created as statehood.
Okay. So what about the refugees? Refugees and all?
The refugee, of course, there's a big burden for us. Therefore, again and again, we appeal to the central government. Tripura is a small state. Therefore, this already have a burden. Therefore, we already appeal to the people of India and the government of India to reallocate the excess refugee of Tripura. Okay, once the holiday come and it is sympathetically, we have to accept them, our government or even our royal family accept them. But there should be some guidelines, some criteria should be framed. Therefore, we said the excess refugees who are living in Tripura should be distributed to all over India. That's what we appeal to the government of India. If not, then you give a separate state. We have given two options. I have met several times with the Minister of Home Minister. Several times we met with Prime Minister, Congress and BJP board. We met earlier. We given the two options. One option is our excess refugees, except illegal immigrants from Tripura, should be reallocated, distributed to all over India, all over the state. This is one point. Second point is, if not, then there is a constitutional provision, Article 2 and 3. Any state can be divided two states. One district can be formed new state. So there is a provision in Article 2 and 3. So based on this, we try to explain to the central government to create a separate state based on ADC area. Because scheduled area still we have a land, we have a majority in scheduled area. As a whole state we are a minority. But in this ADC area, scheduled area we are a majority. Therefore, in democratic country, democratic state, majority must be ruled.
Okay.
Therefore, in scheduled area, still we are around 85% living tribal people, indigenous people living in the ADC area. Therefore, if we can get a statehood power, then whatever party may come, maybe Congress, BJP, we do not mind, but ruled by our own people.
Okay, so last question. I have covered the Tripura election and I have observed that the BJP has come into the power with the promise to protect the indigenous people right. Am I right? So, do you feel somewhere you are being ditched by this government?
Right now, we are only 1 year government. Not even 1 year, 10 months running around government. So we'll watch and see. We'll watch and see after 3 years or 4 years, if we cannot fulfill the aspiration of people, If the BJP promise is not fulfilled to the people of expression of people, then we'll decide. Right now, we are few months back. I mean, our government is very few months. But let us. We are watching the situation. We are observing the performance of the BJP government or our government. If we cannot satisfy the people of Tripura, if people Tripura is not their aspiration is not fulfilled, and then I think we'll decide.
Will you continue alliance with the BJP before this Lok Sabha also?
That's right now I cannot comment. I'm saying that we will have a meeting where we have a sitting with the all executive committee, and we'll get the opinion of the people. Then only we'll decide.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.